The global launch date of this phone has not yet been confirmed, but this Redmi K20 Pro will be launching in China on 28th of this month, which can be confirmed by the official poster released by Xiaomi themselves. This phone will have a triple camera setup, and the interesting thing is that the primary sensor of this phone will be a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, which is great, and the other two cameras will be a telephoto lens and a wide angle lens. This phone will have a super slow motion video recording at 960 frames per second, and this can be confirmed by the official video released by Xiaomi themselves. This phone will pack in a massive 4000 mAh battery, which will be great considering Xiaomi's history with 4000 mAh batteries. There were a lot of phones from Xiaomi that came out with the 4000 mAh battery. All of them performed quite well, and we can expect the same battery performance from this phone too. This phone is powered by the latest and greatest Snapdragon 855, so in terms of gaming and performance, you won't be disappointed at all. These are all the features that are already confirmed, and there is more to come which are yet to be confirmed. In India, the Redmi K20 Pro may launch in the name of Poco F2, which is obviously the successor of the Poco F1 or the Pocophone F1. This phone is expected to come with an AMOLED display and an optical in-display fingerprint scanner. As we know that the OnePlus 7 Pro came out with a faster UFS 3.0 storage, many of us were expecting the same from Xiaomi, but I don't see something like that happening with the Redmi K20 Pro. And finally, this phone will have a pop-up selfie camera with a 20 megapixel sensor in it. So that's it for today. Thank you.